Employees should know how to handle any fire-related incidents at workplace. If not controlled immediately, then fire can cause serious harm to the employees as well as your company's property. As soon as you see or smell smoke, immediately raise alarm and alert everyone in your proximity. Run towards the nearest fire extinguisher and unmount it from the wall or pick it up from the stands and check the pressure gauge to ensure that it has sufficient pressure to be used. Please remember and follow the pass rule. Hold the extinguisher in an upright position, pull out the pin, and remove the lock from handle. Aim the nozzle towards the target with one of your hands. Squeeze the trigger completely with your other hand. Once the powder starts gushing out from the nozzle, then sweep in left and right directions to cover the whole fire. Every employee of the company should know how to operate a fire extinguisher. The fire incidents can occur anywhere in the company's compound. Employees should be trained to be vigilant and agile too as soon as they notice suspicious incident which may cause fire. Let us repeat what does the rule of pass say. Pull the pin, aim at the fire, squeeze the handle, and sweep to cover the fire. Kill the fire and save lives.